Hello my dear friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm just going to share you the new feature available in Office 365 that is regarding the images. This is the old method. First of all, let me show you. For example, if I don't have this image over here and I'm just going to add this image using the picture and then in this device, and if I select this image you can see this image is too big, so I need to adjust the size for this before placing in the cell. Okay, so this is the one of the method that we already use in the Excel from the beginning, but now in Excel there is something new. Before doing this, what are the drawbacks of this doing a manual activity? Let me show you. For example, if I apply the filter over here, if from the keyboard I used to place Control Shift L, it will automatically add the filters. And if I do a short, first of all, for example, Z to A or A to Z, something like that, it shuffle the values. Okay, and somehow it had done a good job also that it automatically shifted the images. But somehow, in case if I select only one user and click OK over there, you can see the rest of the images are also getting uneven. Okay, and if somebody moves it out and then after, for example, this kind of thing, and if the filter is clear, then you can see the all the images are cluttered, okay, here and there. So instead of doing this activity, let me show you another way that helps in doing this activity. I'm just pressing Control key from the keyboard and just shifting a sheet towards the left. It will automatically create a duplicate one. And let me delete these images right now from the keyboard, pressing the delete. Okay, so we don't have any images right now. Next, the feature we are going to use is insert picture. Earlier in your system, maybe it is only showing a place over cells because this feature is available in Office 365. So place in cell. Okay, here you can select the image. This time this will automatically add the image in cell. Okay, so you don't have to adjust the size and everything. Okay, if you adjust the row and column, you can see that the image is getting auto fit to it. Okay, so one of the headache was the sizing the image is gone. Next, let me add all the images and then I will show you the functionality. Okay, you can see all the images are according to the cell height and width. Okay, if you have something similar, you can use it. Now if we change, for example, we did a short over there, right? So the thing is working very fine over here, and you can see that the cell is named as a picture. Next, let me filter, apply the filter, and for example I'm selecting two people, Ankit and Rajesh, and selecting OK. You can see that the rest of the images are not over here. Even I cannot select the image over here because it is a picture in a cell, so it won't be able to editable. You can modify it later on and it works very fine. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful and learn how to use new picture in cell, that is place in cell under the picture option. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also click on the bell icon so you never missed any update. If you got any question or want to see more Excel features, drop a comment below. I do love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and happy excelling.